Hello and welcome back to Stitchcraft. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this really easy, beginner-friendly scarf that you can finish in under 2 hours. This whole scarf is made out of a single stitch, namely the Suzette stitch, which is a very beginner-friendly stitch because it uses just a single crochet and a double crochet. To make this scarf, I used a 6mm crochet hook and the James C. Brett marble chunky yarn in the color MC70. Okay, let's get started on the scarf. Begin by making a slip knot, then chain 20 and another chain for turning, but the chain measurement can be adjusted to suit whatever width you want for your scarf. So if you're looking to make a slightly wider scarf, then I recommend that you chain up more. But other than that, you can follow along with the rest of the tutorial. Once you finish chaining, turn your work around, then skip the first stitch, so this one over here, and into the next stitch, make a single crochet, so insert your hook and yarn over until you have 2 loops on your hook. Then pull through both and then make a double crochet in the same chain that you made the single crochet. So yarn over and go through the chain, then pull up some yarn until you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now skip the next chain and into the second chain from your hook, make a single crochet and a double crochet in the same chain. And then continue to do the same thing until you get to the last chain on this row. When you reach the last chain, just make a single crochet in it, then chain 1 and turn your work. For the second row, you will be starting in the first stitch and you will be making a single crochet and a double crochet. Then skip the next stitch and continue making a single crochet and a double crochet, then skipping a stitch until the end of the row. And then make 1 single crochet in the last stitch of every row. And this will make up the pattern for the rest of the scarf, so you just have to repeat this row until you reach the desired length of your scarf. So now I'm working on the last row of my scarf, and I will show you how I fastened off and how I weaved in my ends. To fasten off, I just chained one and then pulled the yarn through really tight. Now you're going to need a pair of scissors and a darning needle. So here I'm just cutting the tail of my project a bit shorter, and then I'm attaching it to the darning needle. And I'm going to insert my needle underneath the top of a few loops and pull through. And I'm going to go back in the opposite direction doing the same thing. And then I'm going to repeat this a couple more times going into the opposite directions. So I repeated the same process for the other tail as well, and then that's it, you're done with the scarf. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider liking it or subscribing to my channel. And I'm planning on recording a few more videos making other scarves with different patterns, as well as beanies and gloves. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, be sure to check them out when they're out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.